This is Greater Adelaide in South Australia. South Australia has a history from the 1850s of involvement with steel railways. Initially we had the city of Adelaide with Irish or broad gauge trains, and currently the trains terminate at Gawler Central for passenger trains, Outer Harbour, Grange, Seaford, Belair, and what we label here is the old Tonsley station. The Tonsley line was opened in 1966 to service a factory for motor car assemblies at Tonsley. A number of these lines are single track, so the Grange lines are single track. The line from Adelaide Terminal Station to Belair is a single track, and the line from the junction with the Seaford line to Tonsley is also a single track. So this is the Seaford line, which is a double track electric train line, and at Ascot Park there's a junction to a single track from here through to Tonsley, and this is the extension for the Tonsley line via a viaduct from the old Tonsley station to Flinders Medical Centre, and to also service Flinders University. Currently the Tonsley line has got the Mitchell Park station and the Clovelly Park station, and the other station which is important for the Tonsley line is the Woodland Park station, because this is the station where passengers from the southern suburbs would change trains to catch the train to Flinders. What's happening is that the old Tonsley station has been closed, and they're putting a new station between that and Clovelly for the new Tonsley station. So the important thing that's happened is that Adelaide trains until recently have only been 1, 2 or 3 carriages in length, but as the trains become more popular, it's now being adopted that we should have high capacity trains with 3 or more carriages. To do this, 2 electric train sets would be joined up to give a 6 carriage set, and the important thing is that the new Flinders station, which is built adjacent to the Flinders Medical Centre, this station, the Flinders station and the new Tonsley station, are both long enough to take 6 car trains of electric trains. If we zero in on the Flinders development, this has been a major work because the line has to cross over the Darlington Road upgrade, a major enhancement with multiple levels of expressways and flyovers and fly-unders. The other confusion for this job is that the viaduct, this bridge that's being built, has to rise up quite a height. So it has to go from 44 metres up to 59 metres. So it's got to rise 15 metres to get up to this new station, the Flinders station. So let's look at what's been done at the Flinders station. 200B bus.